That's right, friends, in this review episode, I'll be unboxing and testing the Erickson 12,000-pound winch. Erickson Manufacturing now has a recovery line, which includes winches, soft shackles, and kinetic ropes for all your recovery needs. The winch I went with was a 12,000-pound winch. Since I'm overloaded with all the bolt-on Overland crap, it's time to install this bad boy so I can get myself unstuck. Upon opening the box, the first thing you see are the instructions. We don't use instructions because we're men. You get your wiring, your fasteners, a hook, a controller, the winch, a fair lead, and the controller box. It's almost like it's plug and play. Okay, time to recover my ass out of here since my friends won't help me. Winch is all installed, and we're gonna winch off of that giant hog of a tree over there. Don't disappoint me, Erickson.
What's he doing?
I think he's trying to influence us to buy a winch.
This winch rocks! I'm definitely gonna be putting this winch to the test in my insanity-driven adventures. Subscribe, you honkies!